Welcome student. Today we are going through degree of comparison. Degree of comparison. Okay. Welcome student. Today we are going to this ninth lesson. Ninth lesson, that is degree of comparison. Comparison. So here are the picture of three dogs. Okay, and we are going to consider uh, their tail. So here the black dog has a name of Moti, and next one is a Tommy, and the last one Snowy, that is uh, Snowy. So we have to compare between the three dogs. Okay, the first Moti has a short tail. Here, uh, here, um, we have to compare their tails, and the Moti has a short tail, and Tommy's tails is shorter than Moti's. So here the tails of Tommy is shorter than the Moti. And last one is the Snowy dog. Snowy has the tail shortest tail of all among three dogs. The Snowy has the shortest tail. So here we have using positive degree for Moti, comparatively means the Tommy's tail is a shorter than Moti's. So here we compare Tommy and Moti. Okay, and the last one is the shortest. So here we doesn't compare with other's tail, other dog's tail. It is a superlative degree. So here we have uses the suffix, that is for comparative it is er, and for superlative it is est. This is generally the comparative degrees. Okay, so second point is, in the first sentence we have get the informations below these sentences. Okay, in the first sentence the adjective short simply shows the quality of dog. The short simply shows the quality of dog. It is an adjective in the positive degree. Third point is, the adjective shorter shows the quality that is higher degree than the positive one. It is an adjective in a comparative degree. And the fourth sentence is, the adjective shortest shows us the highest degree of quality. It is an adjective in the superlative degree. So here these words the fifth is, the positive, comparative and superlative degrees are called as the degrees of comparison, degrees of comparison. So here we have some suffix which are uh, which are given in this table: positive, comparative and superlative. This suffix added with the adjective. So just we look in the first horizontal column, there is er and est. Just now we look we seen in the doc case. Okay, er and est, the positive is a positive words, adjectives are kind and sweet. In a comparative it becomes the kinder and sweeter, and in the superlative degree it becomes the kindest and sweetest. Just like er and est, we also have suffix like e, r and st. These adjectives gets the suffix of e, r and st, that is wise, wiser, wisest. Atha wise ended with e, vowels e. Okay, it is just added suffix, it just added suffix st, er, sorry, r and st. Large, larger, largest, larger, r and st for superlative degree. Next is the adjective ends. The adjective ends with in a y, replace y with I and then er or est. Okay, such as lazy and heavy. We these words ended with y, and in comparative degree it becomes the suffix becomes the IER come instead of y. Okay, IER is used instead of y, and it becomes the in a superlative degree that IEST. Okay, so these are the one kind. Fourth one is for short word ending with a consonant sound double the last letter and added er and est. So here the words ended with the consonant, such as fat, fat, big and red. Fat, big and red. It becomes in a comparative degree, that is fat, fatter, fat, fatter, big, bigger and red, redder. Red, redder. Here the consonant comes double. Okay, consonant comes doubled, that is consonant t, g, d comes in a comparative degree, that is double t, double g and double d, and in the superlative degree it comes with the est. Okay, and the last fifth one is for adjective of more than two syllables added more and most before the words. So here are the words, that is beautiful, beautiful, more beautiful and most beautiful, difficult, more difficult and most difficult. So here are the some type of adjectives in a comparative degree are formed. Okay, regular and irregular adjectives which are used in this degree of comparison. Okay, here are the regular and irregular. What is the meaning of regular and irregular? So here regular verbs so regular and irregular were, it is if the comparative and superlatives forms of an adjective can be formed in the way shown earlier by adding er, est, or by putting more and most before adjective. The adjectives is called as a regular adjective. So this is the process of writing the adjective. It is called as a regular adjective. And irregular means a different from a regular. If the comparative and superlative forms of an adjective cannot form in the way shown earlier, the adjective is called as an irregular adjective. So here are some examples of irregular adjectives. Okay, good in a positive degree becomes better in comparative degree and best in superlative degree. Here good, better, best, these words doesn't match each other. Okay, each word is a different from other, that is good is a different from better and best. Bad, worse, worst, little, less, lazy, least, far, further, farthest, much, more, most, old, older, oldest. Okay, these are the irregular adjectives. So here are some words that we have to learn and complete this exercise. This is homework. Okay, complete this exercise. This is homework. That is light, lighter, lightest, safe, safer, safest, wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest, sad, sadder. Okay, this exercise have to complete and send me a photograph on our uh, homework group Okay, so now we will going to stop here.